operated by Richard Shuttleworth, used as air particular aircraft in the colours of NFS, distinctive orange and black livery. If you fancy chartering a Desoutter from Shuttleworth in the...
Amazing how similar the DH60 and the Spartan Arrow are in appearance.
Bringing up the rear from 1929, the two-seater light sports plane.
Half the pups and about a third of the cabins off the production line. Very much used as an aircraft manufacturer during the First World War. They decided to continue in that vein with a number of their own techniques. They didn't really just build aeroplanes. In fact, what they're most famous for is an engineering company that built artificial movements.
Charter one of those Desouters in the 1930s, as taking to the skies in any machine of that era certainly would have been.
Morecambe flying the Desoutter for us today. Down safe. Only 15s.
Keep the memory of her son alive, and the ethos of the collection, as we've already said, very much about keeping that spirit of aviation alive, not just for current generations but for future generations as well, and a tremendous amount of time, effort and a not inconsiderable amount of money invested in keeping these marvellous flying museum examples in airworthy condition.
Simon Davis down safe in the Moth, followed by Frank Chapman in the Spartan Arrow. As the Parnell Elf runs back across, take a good look at the interplane struts between the wings. You can see that they're at an angle. That's called Warren girder construction.
Not the prettiest of my planes, but historically very, very interesting, and a nice livery adopted by Parnell on the Elf, that cream and green apple and custard livery, which gives it a very distinct appearance.
Interesting, despite the differences in size and the differences in design, these three icons that we're watching are very similar in form. Just over 100 miles an hour. Seems very rough.